Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make a Ford Taurus Faster. Begin by performing a thorough maintenance check and changing spark plugs and air filter immediately. Then evaluate intake and exhaust upgrades and consider a performance tune after hardware changes. Prioritize safe, incremental modifications and verify improvements with a data logger or dyno. I'll guide you through sensible steps for reliable power increases and daily drivability. For bolt-on mods, choose parts that match your goals and budget to avoid wasted effort. A cold air intake and high-flow filter are simple starting points that improve throttle response. Pairing a catback exhaust with a tune often yields noticeable torque gains without sacrificing reliability. Consider aftermarket headers or a larger throttle body if you want stronger mid-range punch, but plan supporting mods and proper tuning to tie it together. Forced induction can transform a Taurus, but requires planning and supporting upgrades for reliability. Superchargers deliver immediate, linear boost and suit street builds well, while turbochargers often provide higher peak power with more complexity. Upgrading fuel delivery, cooling, and engine internals becomes mandatory at higher boost levels to prevent failures. I'll explain sensible power targets, required supporting mods, and when to consult a professional tuner for safe, repeatable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.